Looking to reduce eye strain and enjoy a more comfortable browsing experience? Switching Grok AI to dark theme is quick and stylish solution. Let me show you exactly how to enable dark mode step by step. First, log in into your Grok AI account and land on the dashboard and click on your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner. And then from the drop down, click settings. This will open up all your customization options for Grok AI. Look for a section labeled appearance or theme. Click on it. Here select dark mode. Instantly, the entire interface will shift to sleek dark look, much easier on the eyes, especially at night. My interface is already dark, so it will make a difference, but it will make a difference on your PC. And that's it. You've successfully switched to Grok AI's dark theme. Enjoy a smoother, more relaxing experience while chatting with Grok. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips like this. Thank you guys for watching.